Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am located 25 minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip and 20 minutes away from the Lake Las Vegas and International Airport. And no, I am not in a resort, but I am here at the backyard of a beautiful home with a resort style backyard. I can't wait for us to tour this together because this is one of a kind rare property here in Henderson, Nevada. Let's get started. Everyone, what I notice about driving on this driveway is that it feels so grand because this is a long driveway and we are elevated right now. As you can see guys, this is your 3-car garage and you have a lot of space for your guests to park on this area in front of the garage. Normally, if you're the owner of this house, you would park your car inside the garage and go directly to your home. However, I wanted to show you a special feature of this house wherein on this side there is a long pathway. Let's go, come join me. So this is the pathway leading to the entrance of the house, and also it is the pathway leading to the backyard. So your guests can actually come here, and before they even enter the house, they are already entertained by these amazing views of the mountains here. Previously, this side of the house is just cement, but the owner spent time to make it open, and look at this beautiful railing here. It is always nice to see this kind of railing that is open, and your guests can actually relax while waiting for you outside. We're here in front of the house, and before entering the house, we have this double gate, which is really nice because it has this design element that's really special. And I only not consider this as beautiful, but also it is a double security so that we have that gate before even entering this beautiful door of the house.
Hello, good, Angelo, welcome. Come on in. How's it going today?
Good! I am so excited to tour this beautiful home.
Yes, well first of all, thank you so much. You guys, this is Kaori Nagao from Las Vegas Sotheby's. Welcome to my newest listing here on 1206 Peach Bluff Court. We're here in Henderson. We're on a 1-acre lot. We have about 3,700 square feet of living space, including a 440 square feet of a sunroom that's very unique to this home. And of course, my favorite part is the backyard Oasis. We have a 45 by 18 foot pool with 5 waterfalls, and we're surrounded by 65 palm trees.
Awesome, I can't wait to tour this entire home. This is beautiful and one of a kind.
Yeah.
So yes, let me tour this home. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming as always. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. So upon entering the house, your guests can actually see here. This is a nice retreat area for your guests. And you notice that this is finished with travertine, really nice, very elegant travertine, and you have this really nice ceiling fan here, and it opens to your sunroof layer where you can access the backyard immediately. This house has the left and the right side, so we're gonna go first on this side where most of the bedrooms are located. Here is one of the bedrooms, and as you can see, there are built-in cabinetry here. Really nice wood flooring here, guys, and also it is an ensuite bedroom because there is an ensuite bathroom here. And this is a nice feature because your guests will no longer have to go out for them to use the bathroom. So here we are entering the owner's bedroom. This is a nice retreat area here. You can relax here while you're watching for your fireplace there. And as you can see, guys, this fireplace is actually viewable from both that retreat area and this bedroom here. And as you can see, this is a massive area here. You can put a lot of seating arrangement, nice hardwood floors, and also you have this very elegant ceiling fan. And I noticed, guys, this is finished with this nice elegant design, as you can see on the ceiling. What is special on this bedroom is this massive glass door, which actually brings so much natural light inside. And in addition, you can actually access the backyard immediately from your owner's bedroom. You have this bar area here. You can put your coffee here so that you can easily access your coffee upon waking up. So we're entering your owner's bathroom. There are two sinks here, guys, one on this side and one on the left side. In the middle is your very elegant shower. And I wanted to show you one special feature of this bathroom. This oval designed soaking tub is jetted, and it's also very nice because it's facing really nice mountain views that you can enjoy while you're soaking in the tub. And as you can see, this is finished with really nice granite. So you have this built-in cabinets. These are newly built by the owner, and it is finished with tinted glass door, and there is one for you and one for your significant other on the other side of this bathroom. On this side is another sink which you can use for yourself or for your significant other. Okay, so we're now gonna go on the left side of the house. As you can see, you have this beautiful sitting arrangement here where you can have your guests stay while waiting for you. And we're gonna go on this side where you can see your beautiful kitchen, which has this nice granite countertop and this elegant built-in vents. I really like this feature because it's very rare to see nowadays this kind of feature where your island has that vent and where you can cook immediately in the middle and talk about things in life. So it's a nice feature here. So right immediately after your kitchen, you have this open space here, which is your living room. You can have your sitting arrangement here. You have this really nice fireplace finished with nice stonework and also built-in cabinetry. A really nice feature about this home is this glass door that opens up to your sunroom. This is your sunroom, guys. This, you have your built-in barbecue area here. You have your kitchenette here. You have really a nice space here. It's much colder here inside than outside because of this beautiful sunroom. It's more than 440 square feet for you to enjoy. It is a very long way because you also have this area of the house where the front of the house has access to this beautiful sunroom. I cannot wait for us to tour this backyard, guys. So for this sunroom, we can enter and go outside and look at your beautiful backyard. This is Backyard Oasis, a really nice resort style backyard. You have this fireplace here that you can enjoy during the night. You can put seating arrangements here while watching your beautiful pool. So this is the pathway going to the backyard. You have this double gate that is very large, and you can welcome your guests to your beautiful backyard here with over 65 palm trees. Really nice cactuses. You can do a lot here when you have a backyard such as big as this. There's so much potential. You can definitely do a lot of activities here, such as do a golf area or have a lot of seating arrangements for your guests and for your family. As an owner of this beautiful home, to enjoy this really nice swimming pool, which spans 45 feet long and 18 feet wide. This one-of-a-kind custom home sits on a 1-acre elevated lot with over 65 palm trees and features 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms with a living space of 3,665 square feet and a 440 square feet of enclosed sunroom. This is listed for a sales price of $1,800,000. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'd like to thank the listing agent of this property, Nagao, for allowing us to film this beautiful property. Please don't forget to comment down below what do you think of this home. And if you're new to the channel, please check out the channel page for more home tours. I hope you have an amazing day and see you next time.